Good morning, friends and fellow travelers. It's Brandon. And today we are out on the Red Cedar River State Trail in Menominee. Found this cool little waterfall that is literally draining down in to the Red Cedar River. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful day. I've never been on this trail before, but I didn't realize that it had some hidden waterfalls on it. If you walk up here, there's an old bridge, and there's some more water flowing that moves up towards an old tunnel. So pretty cool. Nice little find here. I hope you all have a great week, and we'll see you on the next adventure.